Oh my gosh, is it what I think it is? It is, oh my gosh. Good morning, welcome back. This is Sierra, and you guys can't see it right now, but today is a beautiful, beautiful sunny day in Yorkshire. So sunny that I actually had to close my windows to film because it was blinding me. If you're wondering why I'm inside on a beautiful day like this, aside from the fact that it's really, really cold outside, this is why I decided to stay home today. Today's the Lush kitchen box day, but we're going to talk about that in a second. If you're new around here, hi, welcome. My name is Sierra, and I'm an American who lives in England. Every week I make a new video about my family's life here and the shenanigans that we get up to, or I get up to, on the weekly. Now that all the pleasantries and necessary YouTube-y items are taken care of, let's talk about what I'm doing in the video today. As you guys already know, I'm doing my Lush subscription unboxing. Lush actually has 2 subscriptions. I'm going to unbox the kitchen box. This month's box had, I think, 6 options. On the website, you were able to say yes or no. So this is what was available for the month for voting this time, and then this is what I personally voted for. I actually don't remember what I voted for, which means this box is going to be really exciting. So yeah, let's open it up. I have heard the November box is supposed to be Christmas or wintry items, so I'm hoping to get something limited edition that I wasn't able to get in the Christmas range this year, or maybe something retro, I don't know. But let's open it up because I can't wait anymore. Okay, so as usual, this is what the box looks like. Pretty standard. QR code, you know, there it is, and we're gonna see what's inside. Ooh, it smells really good. Oh, cute. I don't know if they change it every month, but I just noticed that the background on here is a little bit different. Last month I think it was Halloween themed, and now I guess it's leaf themed for the number, which is pretty cool. So first item in the box right away is actually sticking out at the front, if you guys can see that, and it looks to be some kind of exclusive pouch. Oh yeah, it's like a makeup pouch. It's really cute. It looks like this. I really like it a lot. It's perfect not just for traveling, I think, but I could also use this for storage. Honestly, that is really cute. And then it looks like, according to my instructions, there should be 5 more products in here. So yay. And it already smells like Christmas. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, without further ado, let's see what else is inside this box. Oh my gosh, you guys. This product is one of my favorite products ever. I'm so excited, and this product is the Salt and Peppermint Bark Body Scrub, and it smells like candy cane, and it is probably the best product Lush has ever come out with for Christmas, in my personal opinion. It hasn't come out for the past 2 or 3 Christmases, which has made me really sad. Honestly, I've been hoarding this little tiny sliver of what was left of the bar I got a couple of years ago, but oh, I'm so excited. If you have a chance to get hold of this, definitely grab it because it is incredible. The reason I love this product so much is because for me, it's basically like taking a bath in a candy cane. Although this is a scrub, so don't actually put it in your bath, but you just use it to like rub all your rough bits, and then afterwards they're moisturized and they smell like peppermint. So, oh my gosh. All right, this box is incredible so far. Let's see what else we got. Let's see, lots of packing peanuts everywhere, which is going to be fun to clean up later. And we have a, ooh, it looks like a bath bomb, and it's pink. And I have never seen this one before, so it might be retro, it might be new, but let's give it a smell. Ooh, I think it's just mostly floral, so let's check the little guide and we'll see what it is. It is called Hot Java, and the main ingredients are cinnamon stick, coriander seed, ginger absolute, ginger oil, juniper berry, ylang ylang oil, and cinnamon powder and ginger powder. So yeah, it's all kind of spicy. I was wondering what the floral was. It seems like the main note in here actually is that floral scent, but I definitely love the smell of ylang ylang oil, so this is a winner in my book, and it's pretty cute. All right, let's see what else is in here. Ooh, is this the pumpkin? I don't know, it looks like the pumpkin bubble bar that came out a while ago. I'm gonna check the list really quick, but it smells, ooh, it doesn't smell like pumpkin, it smells like patchouli. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? There was a pumpkin bubble bar that used to come out for Halloween. It had the little stick in it, but let's see what it's actually called. It is the Hot Toddy bubble bar. So I'm gonna assume it smells just like the Hot Toddy shower gel, but we'll check the ingredients just to make sure. It is cinnamon leaf oil, clove leaf oil, lime oil, Brazilian orange oil, dark Sumatra and patchouli oil, benzoin resinoid, still don't know what that is, lemon peel, cinnamon stick, brown sugar, paprika. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be incredible. And I'm not really one for bubble bars these days just because I'm a mom and I feel like I don't have a lot of time to spend crumbling and swishing my bath, but honestly I'm gonna have to make an exception for this guy because this sounds like it's gonna be incredible. I think it smells different than the Hot Toddy shower gel. If you're watching my channel and you get the subscription box, and or if you're just a Lushie who's watching my channel, if you have the subscription box and a Hot Toddy shower gel, I'd be interested to see how the smells are different. So please let me know in the description section because I do not have that Hot Toddy shower gel anymore and I honestly can't remember what it smells like, so I'm very sad. Anyways, moving on. Ooh, guys, we seem to have a perfume in our midst with no label. Super cute. It is, does that say yuzu? It does say yuzu and cocoa. Oh my goodness, I guess it was hard to read in the viewfinder because it was backwards. But yeah, it is the yuzu and cocoa perfume. Wow. Back in the day, yuzu and cocoa, I think it used to be a shower gel or a shower cream. Don't remember which one, maybe both, and also a bubble bar. And there's also a Lush exclusive bath bomb in the Harajuku store that smells like yuzu and cocoa. But yuzu and cocoa is basically cocoa butter scented with the Japanese lemon yuzu in it, and it smells incredible. I don't want to open it because I want to save it and have it be perfect when I want to use it for the first time, but what if I can smell it just a little bit? Yeah, I can smell it just slightly through the bottle. Oh. Thank you, Lush. This is awesome. All right, and now we have just one more item, I think. Maybe there's two more. I think there's only one more. It is, oh my gosh, is it what I think it is? It is, oh my gosh. The next item is the Bombardino Bath Bomb. Mine is actually not as cute as I was hoping he would be. His little eyes are hiding. I haven't had a Bombardino bath bomb in forever. I think the last one I had was when we were living in America, which is like 4 years ago. So this is very exciting. If you've never heard of the Bombardino bath bomb, it came out quite a while ago, I think for a Christmas range, and it is modeled after this like creamy, citrusy, kind of vanilla-ish drink that they drink in Italy in the winter, and it smells incredible. I'm gonna give it a sniff. Oh, it smells exactly like I remember. Oh my goodness. So happy right now. Although I do think it's smaller than I remember. I don't know. If you guys have had this before, does it look smaller? Maybe? I don't know. We'll see. I don't actually remember the entire ingredient list, so I'm going to check it out in here and let you guys know what's in it. It is scented with cocoa butter, which would be the creamy scent that I smell, vanilla absolute, Sicilian lemon oil, and bergamot oil. So yeah. This is just one of those bath bombs to me that's just like a scent memory, you know, like they say it's a thing. Every time I smell this, I just think of Christmas and old school Lush. But yeah, wow. This box is incredible, and I don't know that I can pick a favorite item in the box. I love the yuzu and cocoa perfume and the salted peppermint bark and the Bombardino, but I feel like my favorite is probably going to be the salt and peppermint bark, because this is the one, as I said in the beginning, is the reason I would probably purchase this box even if I didn't want the other products in it. So it just smells so good. Merry Christmas to me. I'm so happy. Anyways, my least favorite product in the haul is probably the travel bag, just because I feel like, yeah, it's really cute and really cool, but I already feel like I have a handful of travel bags, so I don't know if this one would really be that different, but I am thankful, you know, that it's a little gift. So yeah. Anyways, I'm very excited. I'm going to go start celebrating Christmas now that Halloween is over. I'm very excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you thought of it in the comment section. In the comment section, also let me know which of these products is your favorite and the least favorite. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, if you're watching to this point, I'm pretty sure that you liked the video, so please hit the like button and the subscribe button with the bell notification, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Happy Christmas. Bye! Hey again. Oh my gosh, I usually don't pop in at the end of videos to make little clips, but I just noticed something. I was folding this bag up to put it in my Instagram photo for my announcement that the video was coming, and I realized on the back of it, they printed my name. I'm so happy. I would like to change my least favorite product in the box. I don't know, but wow, I think this product just got out of the least favorite product in the box spot. But yeah, Lush, if you're watching, thank you so much. You've made my day so happy, and my November, really exciting. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, bye guys.